Hi friends. So welcome to AI with Durga Sir. Just for
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
okay. Well, so today, here just observe a small thing I want to explain for you people. Okay. So there are several people shared. Sir, this is the video. This is the audio I created for my kid's sake. Rajesh shared, and today Srikant also shared, and Rajiv shared. Okay, like it's a wonderful thing. So believe me, you required to use your AI knowledge for your general purpose first, for your personal usage first. Okay, that is the main important thing what you people should aware. And later you can think about okay, job, professional, all those things. So this AI, the person, okay, AI won't replace you. Remember this one. What is that? Can you please repeat my statement? Whatever I told, AI
Won't replace
won't
us.
replace you.
Won't
Won't
replace.
replace you. Okay, but person with AI knowledge will replace you. Person with AI knowledge will
Yes,
replace
sir,
you.
definitely.
Remember this one. That's why. So what you require to do from your side?
Learn
That's
AI
not
and
going to
become
happen,
that
sir, because
person.
we
Learn
will be having
AI.
AI knowledge, right?
Okay.
So
So that thing must be required. Okay. So now just observe that prompt engineering for the last 1 month onwards, we are doing some kusti kind of thing with the prompt engineering, right? Unknowingly today, one small experience. Actually, what I did is I required some books. Okay, I prepared some material regarding my personal use. So I want books. I want books kind of thing. So just I drop a message to my admin saying, okay, just two files I shared. One is content, one is agenda, and then the main content. File two PDF files I shared, and then I wrote something. Okay, can you please in this style I required the books like a total like I didn't remember also what I typed. Then usually whenever my admin is going to see the PDF files from me, immediately is going to make a phone call. Sir, you shared some PDF files. What I require to do, like he's always going to make a phone call, and then I will explain. This is the thing you require to take care. Like I thought that, okay, he's busy. He will make a phone call. Like then today I was a bit busy. I went out. I didn't observe. Next 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock on some other issue, made a call. Then, sir, what about? I shared some PDF documents like. Then, sir, all the books are ready. It's already there on your table. Like, really, I got shocked. Hey, there are some information is there. How you prepared? You didn't ask anything. Like, sir, you provided everything in the chart. Then obviously, what is the need of? I forwarded to the Xerox wala. That Xerox wala took directly. He didn't ask anything, sir. Like, Sharon, I got the doubt. Can you please open the first book? What you are seeing? Can you please let me know? Like over the phone, I asked. Everything is perfect. Everything is perfect. Okay, I didn't tell anything to them. Just I forwarded like, just do you know? Really, my way of talking got improved because of this prompt engineering. It seems. I told just what I shared. Okay, here observe that what I shared with my just have a look once. Okay, just this is the thing. Two PDF files I shared. 1 to 145, 146 to 281, 280 to 412. Syllabus should be added before each book. Sir, each book 2 copies, total 6 books. Observe this one, total 6 books. Each so syllabus should be added before each book. Each book 2 copies, total 6 books must be required. Like so, they didn't ask anything directly. The 6 books are ready. That's what impact of prompt engineering. Our way of talking is going to be very clear, very specific, so that we are not giving the chance to the opposite person to guess something, to assume something. Clear, right?
సార్ అది కాంటాక్ట్స్ ఏంది నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు సార్ ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ చెప్తారా
Forget about that. Just what my requirement is, I gave 2 PDF files to my admin. From these 2 PDF files, I want to generate some hard copy books.
ఓకే
Usually, if I share with my admin, what admin is going to do, Immediately will make a phone call. Sir, you shared 2 PDF files. What I require to do, like, then over the phone, I require to explain all the things. Okay. Then he's going to take the print or 1 copy, 2 copy, and so on. But today, I thought that he's going to make a phone call to me after seeing these PDF files. Like, I dropped the message and then I left. At 3 o'clock, he's telling, sir, your books are ready. Really, I got shocked. Arey, you didn't ask anything. How you made my books are ready? Like, so you provided everything in the WhatsApp message. Then what is the need of making a phone call? My way of conveying the message completely changed, it seems. Unknowingly, believe me.
Subconsciously it is.
Yeah, that is the power of. That is the power of.
Prompting.
Prompt engineering.
Yeah, that is the power of prompt engineering. Remember that. Okay. So that's all. So here in the last session, we had a clear clarity. What is prompt? What is prompt chaining? Chaining concept we covered. Just so instead of writing a single prompt for a big task, what I did is I wrote. So I break that big task into small steps. For every small task, I write a prompt, so that these prompts are going to be executed one by one. Okay. So in which there is one specific order also. The output of first prompt will become input to the second prompt. The output of second prompt will become input to the third prompt. Okay, like in automation, in agentic AI, compulsory these type of workflows are very, very important. Remember this one carefully, right? Okay, like we had a discussion. So what is prompt chaining? Next, why single prompt is going to fail? Why it's not recommended to write a single prompt for the big tasks? Okay, if the activity is the big, for that single prompt is not at all recommended. Next, how to break big tasks? Next, what is a 3-step pipeline? Okay, in the single prompt, step 1, step 2, step 3, like as consumer point of view, you can do. So in the ChatGPT, I showed already like one small mini project kind of thing. So today, while breaking the big task into small tasks, we require to follow certain rules. That rules is by default considered as decomposition framework. What is the word? Anyone, can you please spell out? What is the word? Decomposition framework. Decomposition means dividing into multiple parts. Decomposition framework, breaking big task into small things. While doing that, we require to take care multiple things. Okay, like sir, what things are very important? Best example, let me go for a small chota example for you. Layman terminology. Suppose your mother asked, Arey Durga, can you please go to the kirana shop and can you please bring so and so items, like your mother is telling that item, this item, and so on. You are seeing the phone, and then okay, I will bring, like you went there. Whatever you remembered, okay, you took randomly those things, and then you gave to the mother. Then automatically, Arey, I told that onions, but you didn't bring. Can you please bring again? Can you please bring again? Okay, like, or I told so and so, but you didn't bring. Can you please bring again? Is it always a problem? It's always a problem. So again, I'm going, bringing the onions, and then she's telling soaps are missing, or otherwise toothbrush is missing, something like it's always a problem. That's why what usually we are always going to do, we have to divide that total activity into small steps. Okay, make simplest thing. What mother is asking, Arey, going for the kirana shop multiple times is always a problem for me. First tell total what you want. Okay, I will write on the paper, like then automatically I will take the paper. I will prepare the list. Okay, and then for all these things, sufficient money is there or not, I'm going to check budget. That thing is also important. Yes, it's good. Now I will go to the shop. Okay, I will go to the first shop. Some items may not available. I will go to the second shop. Anyway, shop by shop, I am going to visit, and then I will bring items to the home. Now the mother is going to verify these items. Sir, have you observed, right? This thing is by default considered as proper kind of thing. instead of doing a big task, okay, directly, randomly, what we can do is divide that big task into small steps, and better to do these steps in order. Okay, for every task, for every small task, I will write a prompt. Anyway, that's a different story. This type of thing, which is nothing but what? Prompt chaining. Okay, this type of thing here, how you are dividing the things. Next, the order is important or not important? Can you please confirm? Order
Yes, sir.
order is
Yes,
important
yes,
or not?
yes,
Yes,
important.
important. So while dividing or breaking the big task into small tasks, you require to take care some special things. That thing is by default considered as a decomposition framework. Remember this one, it's a technical terminology in the prompt engineering. In the prompt chaining concept, decomposition framework is there. Okay, like suppose similarly. So mother grocery example, is it clear for you people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. There is some person is there like me. Array, today, prompt engineering, total material I'm going to study, total book I'm going to study, like if I'm telling. Then automatically, I started first page. 2 pages I read. Feeling bored. Okay. Just another 10 pages. Rough. And then 11th page onwards, I'm starting. Then and after that, not getting interest, not understanding also. Let me go to the 10th page, 10th chapter, like I will. Then obviously, even you are spending some time, you are always going to get confusion. The things are not going to be happen properly. Correct, right? If you are going to ask, I will read total prompt engineering in a single day. Are you going to read total prompt engineering in a single day? Is it possible?
Mm-hmm.
No,
No,
right?
sir.
No. What you require to do is, okay, so take only first chapter. Read only first chapter. Only first chapter. Prepare some notes. Okay, after preparing the notes, some practice questions, and then revise. Okay, now, do you know chapter 1 is the very clear. Then go to chapter 2. So read second chapter, make notes and practice some questions, and then revise, and then go for that. If you are following like this, then automatically, are you going to complete the task properly or not? Ayo,
Yes, sir.
don't tell, I will read total book at a time. Instead of that, I will read one chapter at a time. After completing the first chapter, revision, preparing the notes, practicing questions, revision, and then I will go to the second chapter. The order is very important generally. This type of thing is called decomposition framework. Okay, in reality, big tasks are there. How you can divide that big task into small tasks? What things you require to take care? This part is called a decomposition framework. Remember that very carefully, right? Okay. So what is a decomposition framework? Okay, what is the decomposition framework? Decomposition means breaking big task into small tasks in correct order. Order is very important. In correct order. Okay, like so, like in correct order. Okay, suppose I want to prepare biryani. Assume that I want to prepare biryani. What is the order? Ayo, I don't know really how to prepare biryani. Anyone?
Rice.
First,
Wa-
water has to be boiled, and then rice we are going to keep. Correct, right?
Yes.
Rice, veggies,
I
spices.
don't know. If it is a tea kind of thing, I know well. But if it's a tea kind of thing, I know very well. But this biryani kind of thing, I don't know. Okay. Now the water should be boiled, and then rice we are going to keep, and then some masala kind of thing. Okay, some spicy kind of masala kind of thing we are going to
No,
take. No, na?
no. First,
Okay.
rice, veggies, and masala, and mix all the masala with the spices, and then cook it, and then put it in the cooker. As simple as it is.
Okay, perfect. Now you have to add rice at the beginning or not?
Yes.
Correct, right? So after preparing complete all the things, can I add at last rice? Is it possible?
No,
No.
No, right? Order is
we
important or
can,
not?
but order
No,
is important.
order is
First, if you
important.
add, first if you add rice, the
Yeah,
consistency will be good.
yeah, that is it. The taste will be good, or otherwise, what we call cooking will be so proper. Like something is going to be happen. If I change the order, then there is no guarantee that. Okay, order is very very important. So the same way
Sir,
you are.
no, sir. You add rice in the last only because first you cook the veggies. With the veggies, you put rice at the last, and then you
Sir,
mix it. Then
there are
put
Okay,
different
water.
okay,
ways
okay,
we
okay.
can do.
Yeah,
Okay.
no problem, no problem.
Different ways.
So anyway, Raju, either beginning or ending, no problem at all. Some order we require to follow. Correct, right?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that order is important. That's what you have to aware. So by mistake, if you change the order, randomly you are doing all these things, then automatically your biryani is worst taste we are going to have. Remember carefully. Okay. So here, while breaking the big task also, we require to take order is very, very important. Next, what rules we require to follow? Just a matter of 2 minutes. Let me document these so that you people can understand well. Sir, can you please tell what is the concept we are discussing? Please confirm. I forgot. What is the
Decompose.
concept we are discussing?
Decomposing.
Decomposition framework.
Framework.
Decomposition framework. It's a technical terminology only, of course. So the words are seems to be a big words, but nothing is there. Don't worry at all. So, sir, it means decomposition means decomposition. Decomposition means break break big task, break big task into smaller tasks, into smaller task in correct order. In correct order. That thing is a very important, right? In correct order. Like cooking biryani. You can't add rice after cooking is completed. Order matters. Okay. So decomposition has 3 rules. Okay. It has 3 rules. 3 rules, right? So the first rule is, listen carefully. Steps must be small and clear. Steps must be small and clear. Steps must be small and clear. And clear. Okay, like so not big and confusing. Not big and confusing. And confusing. Okay, like so this is the first one. The steps should be as small as possible. Even number of prompts are going to increase, no problem for me. But the steps should be very clear. Remember this one. Next, each step must have clear output. Each step must have clear output. So that if this why it should have clear output is because it will become input to
The next
next prompt. That's why. So next step can use it. So next step can use it. Can use it. Okay, like next, what is third rule here is steps must be. Order is important or not? Steps must be in correct order. In correct order. No jumping kind of thing. Okay, like so these are just the 3 rules what you people should be aware. Steps must be small and clear. Next, each step must have clear output. Steps must be in correct order, right? Next, one more thing is there. Here I require to explain one more. What is for each step you require to ask 3 questions. Okay, what those things are for each step you require to ask 3 questions. The first question is what is the input to this step? Next, what process this step is going to do? What is the output it is going to generate? So means for every step, for every small task, compulsory, what is the process, what this task is doing? Next, what is the input it's going to take? What is the output it's going to provide? That thing must be clear. Okay, like so please make sure if the steps are like that or not, we define that thing must be important. For every task, sir, just 3 questions. For every task, three questions. Okay, 3 questions. What is input? What is input? Next and after that, what is process? What it is doing? What is process? Next and after that, what is output? Okay, that's it. What is output? Output like we have to take. So, what is the decomposition framework? It's very clear, sir. Nothing will be there. Yesterday, just we divided, but while dividing, you require to take a bit special care. So no confusion, no. So big steps, no big steps. So better to divide into small, clear steps. Next order, we require to take care. For every step, compulsory and independent process must be there. Okay, like this is. Sir, can I go for a small chota example to understand clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Before that, here there are some common mistakes. Common mistake while breaking the tasks. Just the aware documentation sake, beyond nothing. I told right. So words are very big, but the concept is nothing. Okay. Common mistakes. After that, I will go for example. Common mistakes while breaking tasks. Common mistakes while breaking tasks. What mistakes we are going to do that? Yeah. Anyone, can you please tell, sir, what common mistakes we are going to take? Very simple. The steps are too big. Too big. You are taking big, even dividing also. You are not maintaining small. The steps are too big. Okay, like next and after that, missing order. No clear output format. Next, not passing exact output. Adding some new information. Okay. New information should not be added at any point of time in the prompt chaining. Prompt chaining, compulsory. The input must be output of
Previous step.
previous step. It should
Yes, sir.
don't add any extra information. Okay, like so let me document. 1 minute only. I won't take much
Sir,
time.
you are saying, suppose in step 4, I needed to get the output of step 3. So while trying to do that, I should not give the prompt like add this also as a input of the step 4. Like that I should
Correct.
not do.
Correct. Getting the point? Because
Yes.
this total thing is always talks about one activity only. Next, the one activity, the input must be output of previous step only. In the middle, I want to add something means, so it's not correct, right?
If I needed to do, I needed to make in such a way that my output of step 3 needed to accommodate it.
Exactly.
Suppose I needed to add something to the as an input to the step 4. Correct, sir?
If you want to add something to the step 4, that extra thing what you want to add, at the beginning onwards, it should be circulated.
Not step 3 itself, it is okay, na? Because step 3 output is...
No. Step 3 output, you require to add something.
Yes.
So in the step 3, again, what you are doing, adding some new thing, right?
Yes.
I don't want to add. Whatever input you want to give at the beginning only, from that beginning only, the remaining things should be continued.
Sir. This point I'm unable to get. See, suppose you are going to a shop. Okay. You are going to 4 shops. Okay. Now, someone is calling you and saying in 4th shop you needed to buy 5 items. Okay. So, someone is calling you and saying, buy this one extra item also from the shop 4.
It is not pipelining. It is not chaining.
So
adding some extra activity in the middle. How it is going to be? So at the beginning only, I prepare a list, and then once my step 1 got completed, then I will go for step 2 only. Okay,
but this is just a prompt only, na?
That
So
example I told. Okay, but here in the workflow, okay, how you can add something in the middle?
This is just a written wordings only, no sir. Prompt only, no sir.
General. Here you are taking just for ChatGPT normal as a layman. I'm trying to execute this one.
Okay.
But in reality, in automation, everything is going to be happen automatically, right? Like a chain of activities. Where is the question of adding something in the middle?
Sir, in program also we can add something in the middle. Na? Suppose I'm having 10 functions. In 11th function, I needed to give the output of my 10th function as the input. I may add one parameter extra. Correct, in 10th function.
Parameter extra, not input data.
Okay.
You are you required to perform some functionality on the input data. That input data should be available on that input only. All these steps you are defining. How you are going to add in the middle? Generally, no. Okay. But
sir.
generally, no. Okay.
So it need to come from the beginning only.
Exactly.
Okay, sir.
Sir, common mistakes while breaking the tasks. Steps are too big. Steps are too big. This is one common mistake. Not required to give any example. Correct, right? Not required to give any example. Steps are
Yes.
too big. Okay. Second one, no clear output format. Or otherwise, just a matter of 1 minute. Example, if I consider. Sir, create notes plus quiz. Create notes plus quiz. Okay, plus quiz plus PPT in step 1. In step 1. So here, do you know what happened is this is not breaking, this is mixing. This is not breaking, and it is mixing. Correct, right? You respond. Is it a breaking or is it mixing?
Mixing.
It is
Yeah,
unequal
mixing.
position.
Mixing. It's not breaking, it is mixing. But I want to break. The steps are too big. This is the common mistake what most of the people are doing. Next, no clear output format. No clear output format. If the clear output format is not there, then automatically what will be the problem here? Next step is going to get confusion. Correct, right? I
Yes,
respond.
sir. Yes,
If
sir.
the
Yes, sir.
clear
Yes, sir.
output
Yes.
format is not there, next step, because this output will become what? Input to the
Next step.
next step. Then the next step is going to get confusion. If output is not fixed, next step will confuse. Next step will confuse. Okay, like next, the third one, missing order. This is a very common mistake. Missing order. Next, sir, not passing the exact output. Yeah, this is the very important. Not passing the exact output. They summarize again, change meaning, loss original points, something like they summarize again. They summarize again. Next, change meaning. Next, lose original points. Okay, like so. Not passing exact output what we are getting. That thing only we require to pass as the input. Don't add anything extra. Okay, like next, adding new information. So notes should not add outside info. Okay, something like you should not add. These mistakes are going to reduce the quality. These mistakes reduce quality. Remember carefully. That's it.
Add
beautiful.
new information means, sir? What is
Adding new information. You asked the same question, right? We discussed about the same.
Okay,
In the
okay,
middle,
okay.
don't add any new thing.
New thing.
Previous output, whatever we are getting, we require to pass the same.
That is also fourth step. Fourth also that is the thing.
Yeah, more specifically I wrote. Beyond that, nothing.
Okay.
Fourth step is not passing exact output. Even the output are going to summarize again. Same points only. They are going to summarize again. Okay, something like no. Don't change any output format. That output format exactly we require to pass.
Okay, sir. And one more thing, when we are breaking into small steps, each step should have only one task. It should not have more than one task. Correct.
Correct.
Okay. Sir.
That's what prompt chaining. In automation kind of thing, this thing must be required. Next, something like a pipeline kind of thing. Okay, here you are keeping some water. You are sending water to from the pipeline. Then automatically that water should go somewhere with all these steps. Okay, in the middle I want to add something is no.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, now let me go for a simple example to understand. Of course, I executed this example in the last session, but anyway, with some more clarity, a different example I want to take. What's my requirement is notes generator. I will give some chapter. Okay, I have some PDF files are there. My chapter is there, prompt engineering chapter is there, assume that. Okay, so I will give some chapter notes. Can you please generate notes summary or otherwise notes from this chapter textbook content? Can you please generate some notes from these notes? Can you please generate summary? From this summary, can you please generate some questions? Getting? So total, how many prompts are there? How many prompts are there? 3 prompts.
Three,
Three
yeah.
prompts. My requirement is, array one textbook chapter is there. From the textbook chapter, prepare the notes. After preparing the notes, what is the summary of these notes? Summary of these notes. From the summary, can you please create the questions? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
that's about my requirement. Okay. Now what I will do is, sir, here, let me go for prompt 1. Okay, matter of 1 minute, have a look once. Prompt 1. Prompt 1, notes generator. Notes generator, can I use the word? It's the step 1. Okay, notes generator prompt. Okay, so here you are a study notes maker. You are a study notes maker. Okay, like so what is the input I'm giving? What the input is chapter text. What the input I'm giving is a chapter text. Chapter text I'm giving. Okay, my PDF file content I'm going to give. Okay, next, what is the task I require to do that? What is the task? What is the task I require to do that? Okay, create notes. Create notes from the provided chapter. From the provided chapter. This is the task. What rules are there? What rules are there? Okay, what rules are there? Only use given chapter content. Given chapter content. Don't add any extra thing. That's what. Only use chapter content. Okay. Do not add outside info. Do not add outside info. Do not add outside info. Next, give 10 bullet points. Give 10 bullet points. Bullet points. So this is my notes. Notes I'm expecting in 10 bullet points. Next, use simple English.
Sir,
Simple English.
each bullet point can you have less than or equal to 100 words like that?
Yeah. We can provide that also. Give 10 bullet points and each bullet point less than or around 100 words, something like we can provide. No problem. Okay, it's not fixed. Next, output format. Output format. Okay, what I'm taking is just only keynotes. Keynotes. Output format keynotes. 10 points, 10 bullets. That's it. So now here, see this one. Why this works? Because input is the very clear or not? Any ambiguity in the input?
No.
Respond. Input is the clear or not?
No, sir.
Yes.
Input is the clear.
Yes.
Next, output is fixed or not? Output format is the fixed or not?
Yes.
What is the
Yes.
output format here?
Bullet points.
10,
Exactly 10 bullet points. That's all. Next, notes becomes stable. Okay, now we are not adding anything, just the notes, whatever we are going to get only from this content only. Okay, like I'm getting no outside extra information kind of thing. Yes, perfect. So this is my prompt 1. Can I go for second prompt? Sir, here you require to cross check input, process, and output. Is these 3 things are clear or not? Okay, like
Yes, sir.
now let me
Sir,
go for
one. In rules also we have given give 10 bullet points.
Yeah.
Output format also keynotes 10 bullet points. Here in
Yes.
output format itself directly we can give 10 bullet points.
No problem. We can do that.
Yeah, that we can remove
can.
over there because it's output
Yes,
only.
yes. Yes, we can. Keynotes 10 bullet points. Okay. Rules constraint I provided at the same time in the output format also I provided. Don't worry.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Constraint. In the constraints I specified, in the output format also I'm telling.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, the output format, it is indicating it is coming as a header, right? The 10 bullet points. Downside, it is going to display 10 points, right? It is not going to say, it is like a structure we are specifying, not the points, right? It is output header. It is
Correct. Mohan Kumar, getting the point?
No, sir.
Here what will happen is output format is key notes 10 bullet points. This is the header will be there, and under that 10 bullet points will be there.
Okay, sir.
Getting the point? First
Yes,
bullet
yes,
point, second bullet point, third bullet point. Okay, this is the header.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now let me go for second prompt. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Here only 3 things you require to take care. Input is the clear, output is the clear, next process is the clear. Okay. Next prompt 2. Let me go for prompt 2. My second prompt is from these notes, what I want to generate? What I want to generate? Summary. I told right, summary generator. This is my step 2. Summary generator, this is my step 2. If I type so that these type of doubts by default will be, we will get some doubts will be clarified. Okay. You are a summary writer. You are a summary writer. Okay, like next here input is here notes from step 1. Notes from step 1. Notes from step 1. Step 1. Okay. Sir, any extra thing am I adding here? I respond. Any extra thing am I adding here?
No.
Directly, whatever the things are there from the step 1, the same thing only I'm taking. Input. Next, what is the task I require to do that? What the task? What the task I require to do that? Okay. Convert the notes into a short summary. Okay, like what are the rules? Do you have any rules are there? Okay, the rules are very simple. Only use given notes. Only use given notes. Keep it within 80 words. Keep it within 80 words. Within 80 words. Like next, use simple English. Use simple English. Okay, like next output format. Output format I'm asking. Okay, what is the output format is? Summary. Summary. Okay, summary. Here just I'm going to get one paragraph. One paragraph. Summary, like one paragraph. One paragraph I'm going to get. Okay, summary. That paragraph by default is going to be placed. Okay. Sir, now can you please observe that these
So
are
we
10
didn't
points.
mention the word count for the paragraph.
What is that?
We didn't mention word count for the paragraph.
It is in rules.
How
It's
big
already
should
there,
be
right? In the rules, it's
The
already
10
there.
point.
Okay, second, keep it within 80 words. Here, you are not required just a paragraph only, right? This rules is going to take care. Just in this format, I require. But here, why I provided 10 bullets is, okay, in this style only. Okay, 10 bullet points are there. Something like this heading I want. That's why here paragraph, heading we are not required. Paragraph of 80 words, we are not required to specify. Just a summary. Rajiv, getting right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Now
one
let
thing.
me go for, yeah.
Sir. Okay, so in input, we are putting notes from step 1. Correct. So
Exactly.
just we can put output from step 1 also. That is also okay. Or
Notes
should
from
we,
yeah,
output,
you can use any word, no problem at all.
okay.
But there, what in reality, what will happen? There is a concept is called variable injection. Like there is one concept in real automation we are going to discuss. As of now, yes, there the variable name anything you can place.
Okay.
Okay.
That
In
variable
real
will hold
automation,
the output. That variable you will give
yes,
it here. Okay.
yes, okay.
Okay,
In
sir.
the automation, a Python script I'm going to write. In the Python script, with what variable I captured prompt 1 output, that variable I will use to trigger the second prompt.
Okay, sir.
Getting right?
Yes,
Variable match will be there. But here it's a normal, right? I'm not talking about automation. That's why assume, understand. Just for example, sample sake, I'm using.
Yes, sir. What I
Okay.
thought the same header or something you are using to
No,
get.
no.
Okay, so that only I got confused. Okay.
Okay. Just here, let me go for prompt 3. Sir, up to this, 2 things got generated. What is the first one? 10 bullet points I generated. What is the second one? Next,
Summary.
one paragraph summary I got. What the next? Some quiz questions I require to generate. Some quiz questions I require to generate. Okay. Prompt 3, quiz generator. Quiz generator. Sir, this is the step 3. Quiz generator, step 3. Okay. You are a MCQ quiz generator. Okay, like, sir, what is the input I have to take? What is the input I require to take? So I can use the word here, summary from step 2. Step 2, like I'm taking. Next, what is the task? Okay, create 5 MCQs. Rules. Okay, rules. Now, each question must have 4 options. Four options. Mention correct answer at the end. At the end. Next, questions must be based on only summary. Questions must be based only on the summary. Okay, questions must be based only on the summary. Okay, now what is my output format? Okay, what is the output format is? Sorry, here Q1 I'm taking. Okay, Q1 ... What is the meaning of that? You can my AI model can understand. Remember this one. My AI model can understand Q1. Next, compulsory 4 options you require to provide, right? Ayo, respond.
Yes.
4
Yes,
options.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
4 options are there, right? 4 options we require to provide. Now, A is the first one, B is the second, C is the third, and then D is the fourth. Okay. At last, you are talking about answers, right?
Yes.
At last, you are talking about answers. Okay. Yes, assume. Now, answers should be answers in which style you want. 1, okay, B is the answer. Okay, second, okay, ... something like it can understand. 1, next, B, something like now. Sir, that's all. This is the third one. Now here, observe very carefully about this one. My requirement is I will give a chapter, one textbook chapter. For that, 10 bullet points, and then summary, and then some 5 MCQs. Okay, like next, the 10 bullet points should be generated from the textbook content only. Don't add outside information. Don't add your existing knowledge. I don't want that extra information. From the textbook only, can you please provide? Next, from these notes only, 10 notes, bullet points only, provide the summary. From this summary only, can you please generate 5, okay, MCQs? Next, the question should be, sir, Q1 ABCD, Q2 ABCD, and so on. At last answers, first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and so on. Pipeline is very clear, right?
Yes, sir.
How many people, if we don't know about this concept, our hand is always going for, believe me, our hand is always going for, read this chapter, and then prepare 10 bullet points, and then can you please provide summary, and then provide 5 MCQ questions. Like in one line, we are going to ask all these things. Remember that.
Yes, sir.
I hope it's clear for you people.
Yes, sir.
Really, prompt chaining, this step by step is going to be very helpful, friends. Yesterday, I told one example. Earlier, for a particular thing, if I require to prepare the notes, I will ask, I will give one book. Can you please prepare the notes for me? Like total book, if I give total book, and then if I'm asking to prepare the notes, 10 or 20 pages notes is going to come. Then what I did is, instead of giving total book at a time, I want only chapter 1. After providing chapter 1, wait for my confirmation. I will provide my confirmation. Then chapter 2. Yes. Do you want me to generate chapter 3? Yes. Do you want to generate chapter 4? Yes. Like, then automatically what will happen? Now, instead of 20 or 30 pages, now I got 120 pages. Wow, wonderful. More content, more elaborated, more easy to learn. Next, I asked, in the chapter 1 also, can you please generate first introduction part? So on so. After that, wait for my confirmation. Once I'm giving confirmation, can you please generate some 10 examples? Okay, or some 4 examples. After that, can you please wait for my confirmation? Once I confirmed, then can you please provide 5 questions, okay, from this chapter content like. Then the material came, 400 pages material came. Same ChatGPT only, same content only, but how the quality we are going to get is, that is the difference what you people should aware. I hope it's clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you getting my point?
Yes.
What I told. Okay, that material only today I asked my admin, can you please prepare, okay, into 3 books so that I can study very easily, like page numbers I showed at the beginning of this session. Have you remembered?
Yeah.
That material only. How many pages are there? 412 pages are there. Earlier 20 pages or 30 pages material I got. Now for a particular topic from ChatGPT, I generated 412 pages document. Simple question what I asked. Don't generate chapter wise. Don't generate total book. Please generate 1 chapter, first part, wait for my confirmation. Second part, wait for my confirmation. Third part. Getting the
You
point?
uploaded the PDF or directly
Anything.
research?
Yes. That's the
Okay.
beauty. Remember that. So these are really, this prompt chaining is simplifying my life for anything, man. It's going to be very, very helpful in my day-to-day activities. Okay? Remember. Do you want me to execute this code? These
Yes, sir.
prompts?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we check whether it's working properly or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Remember that. So let me execute this one. Very, very simple. Oh. So to execute this one compulsory, we require some PDF material, right? Chapter text must be required, right?
Yes. No.
Yes, required. What I will do.
For that, we'll upload a document.
Sir, we can use same only 5,000 lines we have.
Okay. What I will do is just have a look once. Have a look once. There's a beautiful, some new learning also must be required, right? Okay, just I copy pasted here. My prompt, just I copy pasted here. Okay, first prompt I copy pasted here. You are a notes maker and so on. Here, chapter text must be required. Correct, right? Observe, chapter text must be required. I have one PDF file is there with me. Beautiful PDF file. Okay, listen. What 10 something like Control A, Control C, Control V. Control V, don't worry at all. Control A, Control C, Control V. Okay. At the beginning, some heading also came. Okay, this heading I am removing. Okay. Now I provided. Anyone, can you please read this line once?
6 major troubles hit me all at once.
What is the meaning of that?
The heading.
What is the meaning of that?
6 problems all at
Six problems
once.
hit me all at once. Then I'm getting struggling like anything. Correct, right?
Yes.
Okay, he's telling his experience. Anyway, he had some bitter experiences. This person having bitter experiences. What one experience is shop, whatever there, full of loss. His business is full of loss. Next and after that, he had some land. Okay, that land trying to acquire by the government for some airport sake. Next and after that, for that land, water facility is not there. Water facility is not there. Some well is required. Then automatically, if we are going to dig the well, this land will be available or not, there is no use. That's why digging the well is meaningless, because land may be acquired by government. That's why no guarantee for that. Next and after that, okay, so money is not there. Money is not there. Then automatically his car, the wheels, tires are very old. Tires are very old. Then how much distance I can travel is a bigger problem. Next, his daughter is studying in the college, but to pay the fees also is not having the money. Like multiple problems triggered like anything. Is not in a position to sleep. Is on the bed. 6 problems hit this person at a time. That's about story. Okay, forget about that. What will happen and so on next. That is now. Can I execute this prompt?
Yes, yes, sir.
Excellent.
Yes, sir.
10 bullet points I'm going to get. Excellent. Okay, so see, Blackwood like a normal and mostly carefree life of more than 40 years before suddenly facing many serious worries at once in 1943. 6 major problems troubled deeply and caused sleepless nights and constant stress. His business college was close to financial disaster because many boys were leaving for war and girls preferred high-paying jobs in war plants. He was very worried about his older son, who is serving in the war, like many parents during that time. Okay, he sent his older son, to the war. Then what about his safety is worrying about that. Government planned to take his land for an airport, which might lose his family home and receive only small compensation. His water well went dry after drainage canal was dug nearby, forcing him to carry water for his liver stick every day. Okay, leave stuck every day. Because of petrol restrictions, he could not buy new tires for his car and worried about how. He's also worried about he could not afford to send his daughter to the college, even though she had graduated early and wanted to study further. 18 months later, yeah, these type of problems are there. మీకు కూడా చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇటువంటి ఉంటాయా? ఎవ్రీవన్ హ్యావింగ్ ద
Yes,
ప్రాబ్లమ్స్.
sir.
Yes, sir.
ఏం లేవా సినిమా కష్టాలు?
ఉంటాయి సార్.
ఉంటాయి
Yeah.
సార్.
ఉంటాయి కదా.
Everybody.
ఏ చెట్టుకా గాలి, ఏ చెట్టుకా గాలి, ఊడుకుండే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆడుకుంటాయి. సీత కష్టాలు సీతాయి, పీత కష్టాలు పీతాయి. కరెక్ట్ రైట్? దీనికి ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ జస్ట్ మ్యాటర్ ఆఫ్ 1 minute. ఐ వోంట్ టేక్ మచ్ టైమ్, డోంట్ వరీ. Point here is wonderful conclusion. Wonderful conclusion. This type of situation for everyone in the life, normal life. But last 2 lines, intentionally I skipped, not showing.
Video days.
Looks are have network issue.
It's video codes.
Yeah, for everyone.
Hello.
Looks network issue from sir side, not from our side.
Yeah, it's for everyone.
Yes,
Just
sorry.
speak in mute.
Next, so net issue disconnected. Okay, no problem. Can you please have a look once? The last 2 points are very important. Can you please confirm? Is it visible for everyone?
No.
You respond.
No, sir.
Not
No,
yet,
No,
not
sir.
yet.
You are
1
not
minute.
No,
shared.
sir.
1 minute only. Can you please check? Is it visible for everyone?
It's loading.
Visible for everyone?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Sir. Yes,
Anyone,
sir.
can you please read these 2 lines?
18 months later, when he found the list of his worries, he realized that none of the problems he feared had actually happened.
Wonderful. Next line.
This experience taught him that most worries are about things beyond our control and many of them never happens. So worrying about them is unnecessary.
What a beautiful conclusion.
Sir.
అర్థమైందా?
Hmm.
Have you got the conclusion?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Most of the worries what you are worrying, in reality, really, those things, there is no guarantee for happening. Out of 100, 99% of your worries are not going to be happen in reality, believe me. So, worrying about anything is a waste. Clear indication. Nothing happened. Okay. But anyway, some more points are there. Not required to worry about that. Leave that. So, these are the 10 points got generated from these notes. Okay. Now, can I go for second prompt? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Respond. Can I go for second
Yes,
prompt?
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Here, my second prompt is the same. Okay. This is my second. But here, one small thing I require to take care. Notes from step 1. Notes from step 1. Sir, all these things are going to be happen automatically in the program. That is what automation. Okay. Here, I'm doing manually because I don't know about Python, all these terminology. Just I copy pasted from the previous. Slowly, we are moving nearer to what we call, slowly we are moving nearer to, okay, so automation, okay, like, so just this is the summary. CI Blackwood, okay, Blackwood lived in a peaceful life for many years, but he suddenly faced 6 major worries that caused stress and sleepless nights. He worried about his failing business college, his son in the war, losing his home, water problem, car tires, and his daughter's college education. 18 months later, he discovered that none of these fears had actually happened. This experience taught him that many worries are about things beyond our control and may never occur. Okay, many worries are beyond our control. Those things are not there in our control. Even you are worrying also, we can't do anything. Next, most of the worries are not going to be happen in reality. That's what the lesson from this person. So, short summary. Is it there? Is it clear for you people? Short summary.
Yeah.
Summary
Yes.
got generated or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
What is the
sir.
next?
Yes, sir.
What is the next prompt is?
Quiz.
From this summary, what I require to take?
Quiz.
Can you please generate the quiz? Okay. Can you please generate the quiz? Yeah, summary, like whatever output I got. Now just I'm keeping. Okay, summary from step 2. Just let me replace. Wonderful. Now 5 quiz questions are there. Okay. So when did CI backward suddenly face many serious worries? In which year?
1943.
1943.
43.
Okay. What effect did the 6 worries have on Blackwood? So what effect, because of these 6 worries, what happened to this person? Okay. They caused stress and sleepless nights. They caused stress and sleepless nights. Next, which of the following was one of the Blackwood's worries? Buying new house, is a son serving in the war,
Serving
starting
in-
a new company, learning. Is a son serving
B.
in war? Okay,
War.
like what did Blackwood discover after 18 months? Okay, all his worries had become real. His problems had become bigger. None of his fears had actually happened. He had lost of his business. So which one happened?
None of these.
None
C,
of
C.
his
Fears
C.
actually happened. What lesson did Blackwood learn from his experience? Worries always become true. Most worries are about the things that may never happen. Problems can never be solved. Life is always full of trouble. Which one is the answer?
B.
Most
B.
of
B.
worries are about. Okay, that's all. Wonderful. My required format only, the questions and answers came into the picture. Now see this. From this example, definitely you people are going to get the feeling that we should not give big task at a time to the AI model. Compulsory, we require to break that into small steps. That is always a good programming practice. That clarity you got or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful, right? That clarity we are getting. Yes, we never going to give big, messy kind of thing, big multitasks in a single line. I never going to give to the AI model. Clear, small tasks, one by one. is highly recommended. So AI model easily can tell the things, easily can provide support. That's what in automation, in real time workflows, workflow. This is one workflow. Okay, first notes generate, summary generate, quiz generate. It is one workflow. The people who are always using the word make, N8N, automation, these words are very common. Remember carefully. Lang chain, Lang graph, there these words are very common. Getting right?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
explanation
sir.
is required?
No.
Okay,
No.
clear. Suppose here I want to pipelining. Pipelining concept is this is prompt chaining in the automation. But what I will do is, if it is normal, okay, as a consumer, I want to write a prompt. Then pipeline prompt, sir, in the prompt steps pipelining, I will explain. Okay, yesterday also I showed the same thing I will show for you people. What I will do is pipelining not required to type because it's already there. Okay, have a look once. This is the pipeline. What I'm asking, same thing only. Instead of writing 3 prompts, just I'm trying to write only one prompt with 3 clear steps. With 3 clear steps, like, yeah. Can you please have a look once? Book chapter study assistant. What is my title is? Book chapter study assistant. Okay, like I'm trying to take this one. Now goal. User gives the chapter text. AI gives notes, summary, and a quiz. Use this master workflow prompt. Okay, you are a book chapter. You are a book chapter study assistant. Input chapter text. Step 1. Create 10 bullet notes from the chapter. Only use chapter content. Any explanation is required? Respond. Oi,
No, sir.
we covered
No,
already.
sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Next step 2. From the notes, create a summary in 80 words. From the summary, create 5 MCQs with answers. Keep everything in simple English. Use clear headings, notes, summary, quiz, answers. Use clear headings. These headings you require to provide. Okay, like, can I run this prompt?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, this is
Yes.
steps pipelining. Remember that. Of course, it's not meant for automation. Remember carefully. This is not meant for automation. Okay. Next, I require to have this material also. Okay, chapter text. Let me copy paste. So one good lesson also you got right from this concept. Ayo,
Yes, sir.
have you
Yes,
got
sir.
any lesson from this concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What lesson you got? I'm not talking about prompt chaining.
We have
Don't
small
worry
worries,
about
but
anything.
Huh?
Go with the flow.
Two.
Yeah. What will happen is my mother is always worrying about me or abouting us. What? Suppose by car, if we start from Hyderabad, my native place is 330 kilometers from here. From here, we are going to start until reaching my home. My mother is going to ask. My mother is going to make a phone call. Minimum 50 to 60 calls she is doing. That much worry my mother has. Okay, if it is a night journey, we are starting from Hyderabad at 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. We may reach my home at 5 o'clock or 4:30, 5 o'clock. We will reach early morning. Throughout night, my mother won't sleep. My mother keep on making a phone call. Up to what place you came? Take care. Up to what place you came? Take care. Up to what place you came? Take care. Like. Then I will ask only one. Mother, from the last 20 years onwards, we came to native place hundreds, thousands of times. Why you are worrying like this? Okay, like, more, my mentality is like that. That's why most of the times, we won't tell to my mother saying, we are coming, we are starting now only, like, Mama, tomorrow morning we will come. Already late night, right? Morning at early morning at 6 o'clock we will start. Okay, like we usually I'm going to tell to my mother. So that okay. So please take care. Morning, that is the safe. Better to come morning only. Like she is going to sleep well. Then 5 o'clock we will go and we will knock the door. Because otherwise she won't sleep.
Very clever.
Getting the point? So most of the times worrying, whatever you are getting worries. Believe me, in reality, out of 100, 99% of the worries are not going to be happen. Unnecessary. You are overthinking, you are feeling stress, and sleepless nights, getting BP, sugar, tension, negative energy, all these things will be there. Remove that bleedy things from your body. Okay. Anyway, now here see this one. Observe that this is my program. Let me execute. Let me run this prompt. Okay, here clear notes. Output format I provided. Why this one is coming in this style? Why this one is coming in this style? Have you observed, right? What is the output format I have? Use clear headings. Observe this. Notes, summary, quiz, answers. Notes, summary, quiz, answers. Okay, like now have a look once. Notes. 10 bullet points. 10 bullet points. Okay. So this experience taught him that many worries are about events beyond our control and may never occur. Wonderful. Okay. This is the summary, paragraph summary. 80 words, around 80 words summary. Quiz. How many major worries troubled a black man in 1943? 6 worries. Why was business college in danger? Students refused. Many boys went to the war. Girls worked in war plants. Correct. This is the reason. Why did worry about his home? It was very old. It was too small. The government planned to take the land for airport. That's why. Okay. What problem did he face with the water? The well. Okay. The well. The water was dirty. The well went dry. The river flooded. Okay. The well was too deep. The well went dry. What did he learn after 18 months? What did he learn after 18 months? All his worries became real problems. His problems became worse. None of the problems, none of the worries had actually happened. Like, yeah, like. Wonderful. Clear?
This is also same, not
Same thing only. But only thing is, the first scenario I'm talking about automation perspective.
Okay.
This one is normal end user pipeline, steps pipeline concept. This is.
Steps pipeline means, sir? Automation I understood.
Automation means multiple. That is the workflow creation. Like the steps pipeline means consumer point of view. I'm not having one by one and so on. I don't want to do that. Then step 1, step 2, step 3. This is called pipelining. Steps pipelining inside a single prompt.
Okay, sir.
But in reality, which one is highly recommended is multiple prompts is recommended. Okay. Clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any explanation is required?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Just
One question, sir.
Yeah, please.
The previous one, the chain example, right? The last output is like we made that formatting, right?
Exactly.
That is like one shot kind of output, sir. Like you have given.
No. It is not one shot. We are not giving any example. One shot is the different. One shot is I have to give so and so one example directly. One example directly. In this example, what structure I followed, what pattern I followed, can you please follow based on that and generate 20 questions or 30 questions?
Understood.
Here, just I'm telling output format. That's it.
So this is decomposition prompt, right?
Yes, friend?
Decomposition prompt, right?
Yes, this is the decomposition. Decomposition means divide the big task into multiple tasks. That is what a decomposition framework. Okay, prompt chaining, internally how the tasks are going to be, how the tasks, big tasks are going to be split into small tasks, what rules we require to follow. That rules, the terminology is by default use a technical word decomposition framework. Getting? Rajiv?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now here, let me go for just 2 interview questions for your just documentation sake. Beyond that, nothing. Can you please read available once? What is the decomposition in prompt chaining? What is decomposition in prompt chaining? What is the answer you can tell? Decomposition means
Breaking big task into
Breaking
big
small
AI
Breaking big
task
task,
into
small
smaller
task.
clear steps where each step produces an output for the next step.
Next
Yeah.
step.
Okay. What is the biggest mistake in prompt chaining? What is the biggest mistake?
Mixing to metas in point.
In one prompt or not fixing the output format.
Output format.
Because if you are not fixing the output format, what will happen?
Next step.
Next prompt will not
Next
understand.
prompt will get confusion. It's not going to work out properly.
Yes.
So multiple tasks you are mixing. Next output format you are not defining. That is the bigger problem.
Sir, order we
the first
didn't
answer
mention,
order
sir.
is
Order. That's order is also important.
Mm.
Important. Okay, but general mixing like order is also important only. Yes, you can add that also. No problem. Making in one prompt or not. Next, jumping order. Getting right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
no, the first question answer also should be in order, right, sir?
So decomposition, breaking AI task into small clear steps where each step produces an output for the next step. Okay, in order. The things
In
by
order.
default is going to be happen in order.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. That's it,
Sir,
friends.
here you divided the, I mean, divided each step into, I mean, each one into 3 points, okay? 3 prompts. So any of the prompt we can use it, right? By uploading the text. I mean, by uploading a document.
By uploading the document,
We can use the prompt individually also, or without first prompt, the second prompt will not work.
if you are going to use individually, what will happen is the questions are going to be generated from direct text. But here from the summary, can you please generate the questions? Next, from the notes, these notes, can you please convert into summary? And from the summary, can you please create questions? Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
If you are going to execute the prompts independently, then the summary is the independent, notes is the independent, questions are independent. Dependencies we define. Okay, that's it. Just so thinking about prompt chaining, thinking about a decomposition. Yes, I hope it's clear. Clear, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
Sir.
Tomorrow we will discuss about multi-step, linear multi-step and a branching multi-step. Okay, simple. Terminology seems to be too difficult, too big terms, but in reality, nothing is that small steps only. Okay, we are going to discuss that. Next, tomorrow I will explain these two things, and one more session may require to complete this concept.
Sir,
Okay.
without this Python knowledge, are we ready for the prompt engineering interviews?
Not recommended.
Okay.
Better to learn Python.
Real time, right? We're not ready to go on real time jobs.
Mandatory, learn Python.
Okay.
Small
So how much-
automations you can do without knowing Python skills. Small automations we can do. For that small automations, real-time jobs, I don't think. Okay, compulsory.
How
having
long
the
will
knowledge.
take to complete the Python which is required for our course, sir, for prompt engineering?
Hardly 1 month around, based on your preparation.
Okay.
Okay. That's all, friend.